So we're in Maldives. This is our transfer to Fushifaru. We're going with Maldivian Airlines with the Seaplane. So we arrived to our terminal. Little snacks. Looks something like this. Took some water and juice, pastries, Wi-Fi password. Playing battleship with Nikita at the lounge. Guys, this is it. This is our plane to Fushifaru. Boarding now!
So excited!
This is the line.
Okay, we're here. Are we ready to fly?
Flight will be around 35 minutes. I would like to brief the safety features of this aircraft. There are 5 emergency exits on board, 2 in the flight deck, 2 windows per second row seats, 1 in the rear cabin. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened all times for the duration of this flight. No smoking in the flight. For further information, please refer to safety briefing us in the seat post. Wish you a pleasant flight. Thank you for flying with Transport Gas.
Thank you. We arrived!
Yeah.
Yay! Здравствуйте! Добро пожаловать! Спасибо большое! So we have arrived to Fushifaru. Yeah, the flight was amazing. 36 minutes of looking at the paradise. Guys, just wanted to show you around this incredible place. Look at all the palm trees, the water you can see over there. Going to our villa now. I just had shower and have wet hair and I forgot my glasses, but we're going on the meeting with marketing first. So we're going to explore the island right now. I'm gonna check the restaurant, Watervillas, because we're staying in Island Villa, but probably we're gonna be moving in a couple of days to Watervilla. I'm not sure, but we're gonna have a photo shoot there, so I think so. Yeah. We have a little friend. He's not afraid, I think. Where are you going? He enjoys the view, I guess. Nikita is over there, enjoying the view. It's sunset time here in Fushifaru. Just going to have a quick meeting and shoot the sunset near the pool. Guys, it's our last day. We've been shooting something cute over here. I'll put some of the moments after this video. What's wrong with my hair? So we just met Ishan, who is really shy.
Yeah.
He's a really nice. I'll do like this. He's a really nice Maldives photographer and videographer. He shoots in a drone a lot.
And I'm full.
Yeah, I just had lunch when we were so full and messy bloggers. Nikita is going to be climbing this tree. I'll be sitting over here.
Nikita, you go like this, okay? I just want to show. It's a little bit dangerous.
Yeah, I can say.
I can tell.
It's a little bit dangerous, they say. It's just a little bit dangerous. It's like, I don't know, maybe like 4 meters, maybe 5. Oh yeah, it's not that bad. Okay. The last lunch was this view, and we're going to Bali. We're going to Bali. Home. Home away from home. Did you like it here?
Yes.
Absolutely.